In this video, I'll show you how to enable GitHub branch switching in your Lovable account and explain why this feature is useful. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner and click on Account Name. From the menu, select Settings. On the left-hand side, under Account, click on Labs. Here you'll see an option called GitHub Branch Switching. Just toggle it on. So why should you enable this? By default, Lovable connects to the main branch of your GitHub repository. But if you work with multiple branches, for example, one for testing, one for development, and one for production, branch switching lets you choose exactly which branch to edit. This makes it easier to collaborate with a team, experiment with new changes, or keep your main branch stable while you try something new. And that's it. That's how you turn on GitHub branch switching in Lovable and why it's a good idea to use it if you work with GitHub. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Lovable guides.